How to delete a circle in Life360 application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to delete a circle but do not find the option, the steps are easy. First of all, launch your application and from the top corner, you have to select the circle that you want to delete. Now tap on the gear icon to go to settings and select on circle management. If you want to see which is selected or the circle name, tap on edit circle name. After that, under circle management, you should see delete circle members if you have added multiple people into it. Tap on it and then manually delete each member from the group. Once you are only left, then you need to leave the circle. It means that the group will be automatically deleted by Life360. Now, if you tap on the top corner, you will see only one group that you have and the other will be deleted. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.